Hey y'all, it's me, the Afro Gardener. Hope y'all having a great day today. The weather sucks here in Tennessee, so haven't been able to really garden or do anything out there because it's cold, it's wet, it's nasty. So yeah, um, so today I wanted to show y'all how to make a wreath for your door out of pine cones. It's super easy, super cute. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's get into it. I dream of you and I help if I dream of you every night. Dream of you and I help if I dream of you every night. Dream of you and I help if I dream of you. Okay, so what you're gonna need for this is one of these rings from either the dollar store, Walmart, or Joann's, wherever. But they're cheapest at the Dollar Tree because they're only $1. Some wire. I got mine from Walmart, but I know that they have it at the Dollar Tree too. A pair of scissors and some pine cones. You can use these kind of slender pine cones like I did, or you can use ones that are a little bit more spread out or more stretched out. Either one would be fine. But basically, like you see that what I'm doing, I took the wire and I tucked it under the little, I want to say flaps, but they're not a flap, but the little crevices. You're going to take the wire, go under that so you don't see it, wrap it around, and then attach it to the wreath base thing. I don't know what it's called, but ring or whatever. You're going to attach it, and it's pretty easy. As long as it's secure, it shouldn't go anywhere. If you want, you can kind of lay them out in the design that you want them. I kind of had an idea in my head already, so I didn't do that. But if you want to go that route, you definitely can. And like you see again, just taking the wire and wrapping it around, then attaching it to this circle ring. Only thing that I would suggest is that you attach it to the outer ring and the middle one, because after I got some of these on, they started trying to shift and stuff, and I didn't want that, so I went back and I tightened them on the outside ring and one of the middle rings. See, I'm tightening it again. It's pretty easy. Just like that, and you can do that all the way around. All the way around. This is my finished product. I'm really happy at how it turned out. I had some jute twine, so I added a little bow that I just tied together and made, and hot glued it off to the side. You can add some spray glitter if you want. I didn't, but you can. And that's it. Hope y'all enjoy it.